Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 13 and today we will present about the Xinhua Lake Tidal Power Plant.
A tidal power plant converts ocean tidal energy into electricity using four components, which is turbines, power takeoff or short for PTO, foundations, and grid connection. The turbines are hydrodynamic blades which are rotated by moving water. The PTO is a gearbox and generator that convert mechanical rotation into AC electricity. The foundations are heavy concrete gravity bases or seabed piles that anchor the system against strong currents. And lastly, the grid connection are subsea cables that transmit power from the turbines to the onshore grid. And working principle of the plants is that it extracts energy using two primary methods depending on their design. The first one is tidal stream generators, which uses kinetic energy. How it works is that the underwater turbines function like wind turbines, driven directly by fast-moving tidal currents. And then for the bidirectional flow, as tides reverse every 6 hours, the turbine blades pitch or rotate 180 degrees to continuously capture both incoming and outgoing water. Secondly, the tidal barrages, which uses potential energy. How it works is that a dam structure captures water in an estuary during high tide. The cycle is that the sluice gates open to fill the basin at high tide and close to hold the water and then release it through embedded turbines during low tide when the height difference creates high water pressure.
Alright, so we move to the advantages. First, it is a renewable energy source. Uses natural tidal movement to generate electricity. At the same time, it's reducing usage on fossil fuels. The second is predictable power generation. Tides follow a fixed cycle, so energy output can be forecasted accurately. The third one is low greenhouse gas emissions. It is produce clean electricity during operation with minimal air pollution. And then for the disadvantages, it is high construction cost, needs expensive infrastructure like barrages and turbines. And then the second disadvantage is maintenance challenges. Saltwater causes corrosion, increasing repair needs and costs. So the last disadvantages is limited suitable locations. Only work in areas with strong and suitable tidal range.
Tidal energy face a few set of challenge. First, in regard of economic, it require a lot of money to develop one. Second, in regard of geographical, it can only be done around Pacific area. Third, is in regard of environmental. Since it is at the sea, the exposure of salt water make it more to be corrosive. Fourth is in regard regulatory. It is being bound by the competition with other marine market. Lastly, is technical. It is a demanding engineering technology.
So for the environmental impact, it will impact on marine life. The project may disturb marine habitats and fish migration patterns. And then the second one is alteration of coastal ecosystems. The changes in the tidal flow can affect nearby wetlands and coastal ecosystem. And then the last one is changes in sediment transport. The station can alter sediment movement, causing erosion or sediment building along the coast.
Next, I will talk about the feature improvement and recommendation. First, AI-based monitoring system can be used to monitor turbine performance in real time and predict equipment failure, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Second, advanced turbine design and corrosion-resistant material can improve energy generation efficiency and increase equipment lifespan. Third, continuous environmental monitoring, such as water quality and marine biodiversity assessment, can help protect the ecosystem of Xinhua Lake. Finally, government incentive and technological advancement can help reduce costs and improve the economic viability of tidal energy project. So that's all from us. Thank you.